Hello and welcome to this video. In this one I want to show you my experience with selling services online, and I want to show you one concept that I follow, but it took me a while to get to understand this concept. So I thought I will start with this because like in the past I didn't really make videos about selling services specifically online, because selling services is really the easiest way to get started, because you only need a skill and you need to find people who need your skill, and you're gonna just trade your time to get some cash in the beginning. So in the past, like all my videos on my channel are about affiliate marketing, e-commerce and different business concepts. But this one is specifically about selling services, and one concept that's gonna help you kind of like know how to price your services and how are they like valued on the market. So it's really simple. It's done for you services versus do-it-yourself services, and it really relates to courses as well. Like if you're selling digital products online, it's gonna be like the same concept. It's basically about how much time you're gonna be involved, how much time is needed for you to like fulfill that product. So let's say we're gonna start with do-it-yourself, because this is like the first one. So let me just write it like the abbreviation. So it's gonna be DIY, then there's done for you. So one main thing I need to mention about this is that do-it-yourself is gonna be priced like cheaper than done for you. Done for you services are gonna be priced way higher, because it not only includes like your expertise if you're selling services, but also your time and resources. So it's only this. But do it yourself, you're only giving them like something like a knowledge or something. I don't know, if you're shipping them physical products, then they need to do like they need to put in the work. So the price here would be way lower than this one. But there's one in the middle that not so many people talk about. It's done with you. So done with you is like as it says, you're gonna do it with your customer or with your client. If you're selling, for example, you're building websites, then done with you, you're gonna be building that website with him. Maybe like have a, I don't know, a call or something, where you're just showing them, doing it with them. But it's kind of like teaching, so it varies. Like it really depends on how much time is involved in fulfilling the service that you have. So one rule of thumb would be here that the price here would be like this. So the price for this would be the cheapest, this is in the middle, and this is the most expensive. Done for you services, like if you're running ads for somebody, all of these services like what I'm talking about is online, but you can apply them for offline as well. So let's say you're a marketing agency and you're charging clients to run their ads. So it's a done for you service, which is going to be priced higher because it involves your time, it involves your expertise and your resources. I don't know, maybe you have an office. All of this are expenses. Like if you work with an agency style, you have employees maybe. Okay, so that's why done for you is going to be like the most expensive one, and it's going to require the most of your time, but you're going to be able to get the most money in. So that's basically about it. If you have any questions, like I've been selling services, DIY, done with you and done for you, all of these services, I sold them, so I have experience. If you have any questions, let me know down below. So any questions are welcome. If you want more videos about selling services, because this is the like, you don't need anything besides your skill and your time, your connection to the internet, and your will to learn something for you to provide this service. For example, you can build websites. Like you can, I'm gonna have a link below where it's gonna be like for hosting something. You only need hosting, where you need something like if you're selling your product, I would recommend ClickFunnels. But if you're selling, I don't know, maybe you're building websites for some companies that don't sell a product online, then you can use a simple thing like Bluehost, which is a hosting where you are going to be hosting your website. You're going to be building the website, and you're going to use something like WordPress. So that's a done for you service. You can price it. It really depends on your audience, but you can price from 100 to 1,000 for only like a couple pages on a website. where you can like find, oh, this template is done for you. So it's really simple. You only need the knowledge and the time, so the skill and the time to fulfill orders and to get the to get the clients. Okay, so I hope this is valuable to you, and if it is, if you want more videos like this, let me know below. If you want more videos about services, and like the video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, let me know below why you didn't like it, and I'll see you tomorrow in my next video.